Down, but either way, to be fifth right now when everyone has had an attempt is very good.
Yeah, absolutely. Top job that as we look at the world champion then. Just having a little discussion. He loves this Barcelona circuit. Top 6 in all 4 of his MotoGP starts here, including a second 2020 me at the moment. His last 2.2 seconds off the best pace set by Zarco.
Lovely slide from Luca.
Brilliant, still rapid as Maverick Vinales. Brilliant, look how he's attacking that final corner. The third gear, 125 kilometers now, final corner. And Maverick Vinales is so close to that 138, a 139.0. Superb lap, what a statement that is by Aleix Espargaro. The home crowd will be loving that. A 138.686. Aleix Espargaro fires in a new all-time lap record, beating his own.
And, you know, no crash. Brilliant job.
Absolutely awesome. And there's yellow flags here late on, which are going to cost some riders lap times, aren't they? Yellow flags out in sector 3. It looks like it's in between turns. A dominant runaway winner from third place. He won from 2020. He won in 2020 from the front row as well. A Moto2 winner here as well. Fabio Potter.